Hey everybody, welcome to the midweek check-in for Module 7. We are almost done with this course. And Module 7 is kind of like the calm before the storm. You're really only doing two things in this module. The first thing you're doing is discussing in your groups one of the chapters that you chose. So let me go to the module checklist here. You were supposed to choose, I can't remember which chapter, but I believe when I've been in your groups, everyone has chosen, it's like 11, 12, 13, something like that, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I've actually seen that everybody has chosen that, so you're good with that. At this one, you're not doing a quick write topic, but you are working on your rough draft. You're picking one of your quick writes, and you're taking that to a rough draft, which you're sharing with your partner. And this week you have your reflection on your goals for your threaded discussions. So really, you've got your threaded, your normal discussion that you're having in your group. You are working on your final or rough draft, which will turn into a final copy, and then you're going to reflect on the goals that you set for yourself. I believe it was back in Module 4. So it's a rather quiet week, just kind of typical, but be aware that next week is our final week together, and that's kind of when some big things are due. So please take a minute to check into Module 8. Don't wait until the last minute. Module 8 is where we're kind of pulling everything together. So in Module 8, you're going to have to submit a couple of things to me. You're going to have to submit your final copy of that quick write. I'm really eager to read what you all chose. And that also comes with a reflection, kind of what you take away from this activity. And the description for that is in assignment descriptions. You also have your multimodal writing portrait due. And that's when you're kind of synthesizing everything that you've learned from this class, kind of projecting what your perfect perfect writing class would be, or writing instruction. And I would also like you to complete the course evaluation. And you'll find that at the end of Module 8. So again, use the assignment description tab to help you navigate there. You will see that the multimodal writing portrait assignment is here, and I do not, we're doing this differently than we've done it before, so I'm afraid I don't have an exemplar. Hopefully some of you will provide one through your excellent work, but hopefully my description here and my criteria of exactly what you're supposed to do, and use that rubric to help you guide what you're going to do, and that should be helpful. I hope it is. If not, please let me know. And your final copy as well, let me go to that. It's under Writing Workshop blog because this is part of the whole, the whole thing. So just so you know that these quick writes and conferencing, I will be grading those at the end of this week. Your final copy is worth 4 points and your reflection is worth 4 points. You can choose to give those to me in 2 documents, but now that I'm thinking about it, I'll have to check with the grade book. You may have to just put those all together as one document. That might be easier. And here's the criteria as well for that and the reflection. So I look forward to, I am participating in one of the groups this week. I'm in the Amen group. The other groups I'm just kind of peeking around, but lurking, I guess you could say, but I will be an active participant in the Amen group. And that is something that I found through my own threaded discussion reflection, that I get a lot more out of being part of a back and forth conversation with one group versus just, scattering my comments throughout all the groups. So I hope that works for you. And I will be grading your threaded discussion goal reflection this week, and I'm looking forward to your final copies, and I'm looking forward to your multimodal writing projects. And that will take us to the end of this class. So look for a guide, or a check-in on Sunday for week 8, and then a midweek hello from me next week. And just heads up, because grades are due next weekend, the sooner you can get me things next week, the better for everybody. And I look forward to seeing all your good work. All right, thanks. Bye.